Hello everyone, my name is Aarti Bharadwaj and today I am a computer teacher, and today I am going to explain you topic computer system. And this is a very important topic, computer system, because computer is used in every place, right? Every place. So you must have a knowledge about the computer system, right? So before starting my topic, I just want to tell you what is a computer. What is a computer, right? So computer is what? Computer is an electronic machine. Computer is an electronic machine that runs by the electricity. This is a computer. This is a machine, right? So you will give the instruction to the computer, then computer start the work, because I have earlier told you it is an electronic machine. It is an electronic machine that run by the electricity, right? And the second thing, computer works on IPO cycle. Computer works on IPO cycle. And the question is, what is a IPO? Question is, what is a IPO? So, I means input. I means input. Input. P for process. And O for output. O for output. Right? So, computer works on IPO cycle. That means computer takes input from the user and process it and generate the result. So this is about the IPO cycle. That means computer takes the input from the input devices, from the user, and computer process the data, raw facts, and convert into meaningful language. That is called the output, right? So basically computer is what? Computer is an electronic machine that run by the electricity, and basically computer works on IPO cycle, right? So if I am talking about the components of computer system, so there are 4 types of components of computer system that I am going to explain you. Components of computer system. Second topic is components of computer, right? So as I told you, there are 4 types of component. So the first is input. Input devices. Second, output devices. And third, processing devices. And fourth one is storage. Devices, right? So there are 4 types of components of computer. 4 types of components of computer. So the first is input, second is output, third is processing, and fourth is storage. So input devices is what? Input devices are those devices through which we will take the input. Yeah, you can say input devices are those devices that are used for entering data into the computer. So that type of devices are called the input devices, right? I will explain. So the first is Input device. Input device. Six. So input devices are those devices that are used to enter data into the computer. Suppose I want to write something on a computer. I want to open any file, any folder. I want to write my introduction. I want to write an essay. So how it possible? You tell me. So this is possible by the input devices, because through by the input devices we can enter instructions and we can enter data into the computer. So if I am talking about the example of input devices, so the first is keyboard. Keyboard, mouse, right? And joystick that is used for playing video game, and scanner, also an input device, right? And more input device, light pen, touch screen. So these are the input devices that are used for enter data into the computer. Through this diagram, you can easily understand the difference between input output process and storage, and also understand the concept of input output process and storage devices, right? So as I have earlier explained you about the input devices, so these are the some input devices. If I am talking about the output devices, so output devices are those devices that are used to produce the results, like monitor. You do all the calculation on the computer and the result produced on monitor. So monitor monitor is what? Monitor is an output device. Monitor, speaker, speakers is also send the voice. So speaker is also a output device. And printer is also an output device, because printer is used to print soft copy into hard form. Printer is also used to print the soft copy into hard form, in paper form. Suppose you have write an introduction on your computer, and you want to take the printout of that introduction. So you require printer, because printer is what? Printer convert that soft copy into paper form, into hard form. So printer is what? Printer is an output device, right? And the next is processing devices. So all the processing work, as you know, who is the brain of the computer, right? CPU. CPU means center processing unit. So CPU is called the brain of the computer. So the question is, why we call CPU brain of the computer? Because CPU done all the processing work. That's why CPU is called the brain of the computer. All the processing work done by the CPU. And now if I am talking about the parts of the CPU, so CPU is further divided into 3 parts, right? CPU is further divided into how many parts? 3 parts. So the first is ALU. ALU. ALU means arithmetic logical unit. And the second is CU. CU means control unit. And the third is MU. MU means memory unit. So CPU further divided into 3 parts. That is, first is ALU. And the question is, what is the use of ALU? So basically ALU is what? Arithmetic logical unit. So all types of arithmetic calculation and logical calculation that is done by the ALU, means A arithmetic logical unit. And the second is CU, means control unit. As you know, CPU control all the processing. Suppose suppose you have to send 3 requests on a computer. So all the requests that is controlled by the CU, means control unit, because control unit control the all the processing and send into one queue. Control unit make a one queue, right, and process these processing one by one, right. So this is the work of CU, means control unit. And the third is MU, means memory unit. So memory unit, as you know, memory unit computer hold all types of data. So in the CPU have a lot of memory, large amount of memory. Then we can store large amount of data. So that data we will store in MU, means memory unit. So this is a processing device. Processing device is what? CPU, because CPU do all the processing work. And the last is storage device. Storage device is what? Storage device are those devices that are used to store data, like CD, like DVD, like hard disk, like pen drive, SD card. SD card, that means chip. So these are the storage device, and that device is used for storing data. First is CD, means compact disc that stores 700 MB data, right. Second, VD, digital video disc, that is hold data that is hold data more than CD, that is hold data more than CD, right. And the third is hard disk. Hard disk, you know, hard disk is inbuilt in CPU cabinet, and hard disks have a large amount of memory, and you can store all types of data in the hard disk. Next is a pen drive. Pen drive, you know, pen drive is very small in size, and that you can carry in your pocket and go anywhere, right. And CD and DVD both are circle in size, circle in shape, both are circle in shape, like this. And last is a SD card, means chip that hold into your phone. So now this is a revision time. So again I am explaining you what I have explained you. So my topic was computer system. So I have explained you components of computer system. So there are four types of components. The first is input, second is output, third is process, and fourth is storage. So input devices are those devices that are used to enter data into the computer. Suppose I want to write something, I want to point something on a screen, then we will use input devices. And the second is output device. So output device basically used to produce the output, right. So the first is monitor. If you want to get the result, then you will see on the monitor, right. And the third is second speaker, and third is printer. And the third is processing device, that is a CPU. CPU is called the processing device. And CPU is further divided into three parts, that is ALU, CU and MU. ALU means arithmetic logic unit, CU means control unit and MU means memory unit. Right? Now storage device is what? Storage device is used to store data into a into hard. Now third is storage device. So storage device is used to store data, right? So the first storage device, CD, DVD, hard disk, pen drive and CD card. So this is about the computer system and components of computer system. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Thank you everyone.